Have you ever wondered how many Earths could fit inside other planets? Our planet might seem big to us, but when we look at the solar system, Earth is just a small speck compared to some of the giants. From the massive Jupiter to the small Mercury, each planet has its own unique size, and today, we're going to explore just how many Earths could fit in each of them. This topic is not just about the sheer size of planets, but also about how vast the universe is. It's incredible to think about how many Earths can fit into planets like Jupiter, which is over 11 times the size of Earth. These comparisons help us understand not just the physical scale of planets but also how tiny our Earth is in the grand scheme of things. Throughout this video, we'll take a look at some of the largest planets, like Jupiter and Saturn, and also examine the smaller ones like Mars and Mercury. With each planet, we'll explore how much space Earth would occupy. Get ready to see how our home, Earth, compares to some of the most fascinating and mysterious planets in our solar system. Let's dive into this cosmic journey. The solar system is a vast and fascinating collection of celestial bodies that orbit the Sun. At its center is the Sun, a star that provides light and heat to everything within the solar system. Surrounding the Sun are 8 planets, each with its own unique characteristics and sizes. The planets are divided into 2 main groups, the inner, rocky planets and the outer, gas giants. The inner planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, are smaller and closer to the Sun. They are made mostly of rock and metal and have solid surfaces. Earth, our home planet, is the only one known to support life. Mars, often referred to as the red planet, is another rocky planet with a cold, desert-like surface. Beyond the asteroid belt, we find the outer planets, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. These planets are much larger and are mostly made of gas and ice, which is why they are often called gas giants or ice giants. Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, has a mass that is over 300 times that of Earth and a diameter nearly 11 times larger. Saturn, with its iconic rings, is another giant, while Uranus and Neptune are known for their striking blue color, caused by the methane in their atmospheres. In addition to the planets, the solar system includes moons, dwarf planets like Pluto, comets, and asteroids. These objects all orbit the Sun, and each plays a role in the complex dynamics of the solar system. Understanding the structure of our solar system helps us appreciate the vastness of space and the diversity of objects that share our cosmic neighborhood. Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, is a true giant. Its size is mind-boggling compared to Earth, which makes it an interesting subject when we think about how many Earths could fit inside it. To put it simply, Jupiter is massive, and the answer to how many Earths could fit inside is astonishing. Jupiter's diameter is about 11 times larger than Earth's, measuring roughly 139,820 kilometers, 86,881 miles. In terms of volume, Jupiter is about 1,300 times larger than Earth. This means you could fit approximately 1,300 Earths inside Jupiter if you could somehow stack them perfectly. However, it's important to understand that this comparison is based on volume, not mass. Jupiter's mass is more than 300 times that of Earth, but it is made mostly of gas, while Earth is solid. If Jupiter were made of the same material as Earth, it would be much heavier, but the gas and liquid composition means it has a huge volume without being as dense. Jupiter's immense size not only makes it a dominant force in the solar system but also gives it a strong gravitational pull. It has 79 known moons, including the 4 large Galilean moons, Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto. These moons are much smaller than the planet itself, but their orbits and interactions with Jupiter show how gravity shapes the entire system. In conclusion, about 1,300 Earths could fit inside Jupiter in terms of volume. This illustrates just how colossal the gas giant is compared to our own planet. Understanding Jupiter's size helps us appreciate the vastness of space and the remarkable differences between the planets in our solar system. Saturn, the second largest planet in our solar system, is another giant that dwarfs Earth. With its striking rings and gas composition, Saturn is a fascinating planet to study, especially when considering how many Earths could fit inside it. Saturn's diameter is about 9.5 times that of Earth, measuring roughly 116,460 kilometers, 72,366 miles. When we look at volume, Saturn is about 760 times larger than Earth. This means that if we could somehow fill Saturn with Earths, approximately 760 Earths would fit inside. However, Like Jupiter, Saturn is a gas giant, mostly made up of hydrogen and helium, which makes it less dense than Earth. While its volume is vast, Saturn's overall mass is only about 95 times that of Earth. Despite its size, it is much lighter in terms of density because of the gaseous nature of its atmosphere. Saturn's unique ring system adds to its allure. Composed of ice, rock particles, and dust, the rings are a visible reminder of Saturn's immense size. The planet also has 83 confirmed moons, with Titan being the largest, even bigger than the planet Mercury. In summary, around 760 Earths could fit inside Saturn in terms of volume. Saturn's massive size and gaseous makeup make it one of the most intriguing planets in our solar system, offering a glimpse into the diversity of planetary bodies beyond Earth. Uranus and Neptune, the two ice giants in our solar system, are both fascinating in their size and composition. While not as large as Jupiter or Saturn, they are still significantly bigger than Earth, and it's interesting to explore how many Earths could fit into these distant planets. Uranus has a diameter of about 50,724 kilometers, 31,518 miles, making it approximately 4 times wider than Earth. Its volume is about 63 times that of Earth. So, if we could fit Earths inside Uranus, around 63 Earths would fit in terms of volume. Despite its large size, Uranus has a relatively low mass compared to its volume, as it is composed mostly of hydrogen, helium, and water, ammonia, and methane ices. This makes Uranus less dense than Earth. Neptune, similar in size and composition to Uranus, has a diameter of approximately 49,244 kilometers, 30,598 miles, just slightly smaller than Uranus. Neptune's volume is around 58 times that of Earth. So, about 58 Earths could fit inside Neptune. Like Uranus, Neptune is composed primarily of hydrogen, helium, and icy materials, making it lighter despite its vast volume. Its mass is about 17 times that of Earth, but its lower density still sets it apart from gas giants like Jupiter and Saturn. Both Uranus and Neptune have relatively small ring systems, and Neptune is famous for its intense winds and vibrant blue color, caused by methane in its atmosphere. Though far from Earth, their immense size and mysterious, icy composition continue to intrigue scientists. In conclusion, Uranus would fit approximately 63 Earths inside, and Neptune would accommodate about 58 Earths. These ice giants are a testament to the incredible variety of planets within our solar system. Mars, often referred to as the red planet, is the fourth planet from the Sun and is much smaller than Earth. With a diameter of about 6,779 kilometers, 4,212 miles, it is roughly half the size of Earth. While Mars might appear large when viewed from afar, its volume is only about 15% of Earth's. If we were to consider how many Earths could fit inside Mars, the answer is about 0.15 Earths. In other words, Earth is more than 6 times larger than Mars in terms of volume. Despite its smaller size, Mars is still an intriguing planet, with its rocky surface, polar ice caps, and evidence of past water flows. Mars has been a focus of scientific exploration, especially with the ongoing missions to understand its potential for past life and the possibility of human colonization in the future. Its atmosphere is thin, mostly made up of carbon dioxide, and its gravity is only about 38% that of Earth's, which makes it a unique environment for exploration. So, while Mars is significantly smaller than Earth, its role in our solar system continues to captivate scientists and space enthusiasts alike. Venus, the second planet from the Sun, is often called Earth's sister planet, due to its similar size and composition. With a diameter of about 12,104 kilometers, 7,521 miles, Venus is only slightly smaller than Earth, which has a diameter of approximately 12,742 kilometers, 7,918 miles. In fact, Venus' size is about 95% that of Earth. If we were to calculate how many Earths would fit inside Venus, it would be approximately 0.9 Earths. This means that Venus' volume is nearly the same as Earth's, but just a bit smaller. Despite this, the two planets have very different environments. Venus has an extremely thick atmosphere made mostly of carbon dioxide, with clouds of sulfuric acid, creating a runaway greenhouse effect that leads to surface temperatures of up to 465 degrees Celsius, 869 degrees Fahrenheit, hotter than Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun. Venus also has surface pressure about 92 times that of Earth's, making it an inhospitable world for humans. The planet's surface is rocky and mountainous, with large volcanoes and vast plains, but no liquid water. Despite these extreme conditions, Venus remains an object of great interest for scientists, particularly for studying atmospheric and planetary processes. Mercury, the smallest planet in the solar system, is much smaller than Earth. With a diameter of about 4,880 kilometers, 3,032 miles, it's only about 38% the size of Earth, which has a diameter of 12,742 kilometers, 7,918 miles. Due to its small size, only about 0.05 Earths would fit inside Mercury. Mercury's small size and lack of a thick atmosphere mean it has extreme temperature variations, ranging from -180 degrees Celsius, -290 degrees Fahrenheit, at night to 430 degrees Celsius, 800 degrees Fahrenheit, during the day. Unlike Earth, Mercury has no moons and a surface marked by impact craters and steep cliffs. Despite its size, Mercury plays an important role in understanding planetary formation and extreme environments in our solar system. Its proximity to the Sun and unique characteristics make it a fascinating object of study for astronomers. When comparing Earth to other planets, it's not just about how many Earths fit inside them, but also about the unique features and extremes. For example, Jupiter's Great Red Spot is a massive storm that has been raging for centuries, which could easily fit Earth inside it. Similarly, Saturn's iconic rings, made of ice and rock, stretch out thousands of kilometers, but are incredibly thin compared to the size of the planet. Venus, often called Earth's sister planet, is only slightly smaller in size, but its atmosphere is thick with toxic gases and has a surface temperature hot enough to melt lead. Mars, with its red, dusty landscape, is about half the size of Earth, yet it has the tallest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons, which is nearly 3 times the height of Mount Everest. The gas giants, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, are all much larger than Earth and have vastly different compositions, mostly made up of hydrogen, helium, and other gases. These comparisons highlight the diversity and complexity of our solar system, showcasing how each planet offers unique features that are unlike anything on Earth. In conclusion, the fascinating concept of how many Earths would fit inside each planet offers a captivating perspective on the immense scale of our solar system. The sizes of planets like Jupiter and Saturn are truly mind-boggling, with Jupiter being so large that it could fit over 1,300 Earths inside it. This highlights the vastness of the gas giants and the dominant presence in the solar system. On the other hand, smaller planets like Mars and Mercury provide an intriguing contrast, showing just how tiny Earth is in comparison to these celestial bodies. As we move further into the outer regions of the solar system, we see planets like Uranus and Neptune, which, although smaller than Jupiter and Saturn, still dwarf Earth in size. The unique characteristics, such as their icy compositions and extreme weather patterns, add to the mystery and awe of these distant worlds. Venus and Mercury, although much smaller than Earth, have conditions that are vastly different, showcasing the diversity of environments in our solar system. These comparisons are not just numbers, they represent the complexity and wonder of the universe. Understanding the sizes and compositions of the planets around us helps us appreciate the beauty of our own planet and reminds us of the vastness of the cosmos. The more we learn about the planets, the more we realize how much there is still to discover. Each planet, with its unique traits, offers endless possibilities for exploration and understanding, fueling our curiosity about the universe and our place within it.